Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZALMAN P30 Air Micro-ATX tower case. So friends, ZALMAN introduced the P30 Air line of Micro-ATX mini tower cases with a design focus on high airflow. And the case comes in two color variants, black and white, and its design is characterized by panel perforation along not just the entire front panel but also the sides of bottom half, and the left side panel only covers the upper counterpart. The bottom compartment open from the right side panel that covers both compartments, and the German included three ARGB-illuminated fans with this case. The front machine jack has two pre-installed 140 spinners, while the rear exhaust is handled by a 140 fan, and this presence of 140 rear exhaust also means that the motherboard tray has a high amount of clearance for tall graphics card and CPU coolers. A star attraction with the German P30 Air is its motherboard tray, which has strategically located cutouts for motherboards with reserve-facing connectors such as ASUS BTF series and MSI Project Zero series. The motherboard tray has room for graphics card up to 39.2 cm in length and CPU coolers up to 181 in height, and the bottom compartment has a single 3.5-inch drive tray with additional 2.5-inch mount on the top, and there are two additional 2.5-inch mounts along the motherboard tray. And besides the two 140 front intakes and 120 rear exhaust, the case features three 120 top exhaust, along which you can mount a 360 radiator. And due to its design, a radiator cannot be mounted along the front panel. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.